To add liquidity to a Uniswap pool. Start by understanding what liquidity pools are and how they work. A liquidity pool is a collection of funds locked in a smart contract that enables trading on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. First, you need to have a digital wallet such as MetaMask and ensure it is funded with the tokens you want to provide as liquidity, along with some Ethereum for gas fees. Navigate to the Uniswap website and click on the Pool tab. Then select Add Liquidity. Choose the tokens you want to provide liquidity for, making sure you have a balance of both tokens in your wallet. It is crucial to maintain a balanced ratio of the two tokens to avoid significant losses due to impermanent loss. Next, you will be asked to select the amount of each token you want to add to the pool. The interface will display the estimated share of the pool you will own and the estimated rewards you can earn from providing liquidity. After confirming the amounts, you will need to approve the transaction in your wallet, which may require two separate transactions, one for each token. Once the transactions are confirmed, your liquidity will be added to the pool and you will start earning rewards. It is essential to monitor your liquidity position and adjust it as needed to minimize impermanent loss. Providing liquidity to a Uniswap pool can be a lucrative way to earn passive income, but it also comes with risks. So it is crucial to do your own research and understand the mechanics before getting started. Best practices include diversifying your liquidity across multiple pools, regularly rebalancing your portfolio, and staying informed about market conditions to optimize your earnings. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully add liquidity to a Uniswap pool and start earning rewards.